Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome to Divine's TV. You are welcome. Thank you for coming today. We're going to be making these hearts that are on my hair right now. Those beautiful hearts. That is what we are going to be doing today. You are welcome. We'll be needing tape, plates, scissors, and carton, chalk, and all. Anywhere you see carton, you can take it. It doesn't really matter. I have to put the voice record because it's too long. I have to short it. You cut it round with your plate. You just use your chalk to cut the plate round. Depends on the size you will be doing. If you are going to be doing a big size, there are different ways that you can make a cap. So you cut it round. Be careful because the carton is very big so that it will not be moving. So this way you trim it round like this. If you want your cap to be bigger, you cut it bigger. There are different ways that you can make it. I will be bringing it to. You know that we are going to be making dress here, weight loss tip, everything here. So the material that I'm going to be using is this. You fold the material into two because we are going to be cutting the two parts out once. The one that will be turning it, and you place it on top like this. If you can't if you are a professional, you cut it that way. I just like you want to cut a flare, that is the way I cut it. But for a beginner, you have to go like this. But if it is for only me, nobody is there, I don't want to teach people, I cut it without using plate. So you cut it all round this way. All these things, when you are putting into practice, you put iron to hold it so that it will not move, because so that we will not cut it wrong. Sorry for my voice, I have a runny nose. So this is it, guys. So you remember it's two. One is for this side, one is for the other side. Yes. So we're going to sew it round. It's very simple as ABC. If you are a professional, you measured it to cut. Like here, I'm going to be cutting there straight. I'm going to be opening there. So I take just half inch. Just half inch. Yeah, just half inch. You open there. You can decide not to open. There are some I will make, I don't open there normally, but there is a way I want it to be, so that's why I opened there. There is a cap I saw that I love that I have to make. I have to open it this way because it have to be like the one I want to make, so it will be curved this way. So now you understand it. But you can decide not to open it. You can decide not to open it. I'm just reshaping it well, so it will be like this. Yes. I will bring the one that you can decide not to open next time. I will bring that one next time. We will be doing a lot of things here, so you just sew it round. We'll be doing sewing here. We'll be doing music, my music. Remember, I sing. We'll be doing music here. We'll be doing things for weight loss, natural things. Everything that will help you is coming here. Everything. Don't worry, tomorrow you can still see me with another thing. God makes everything to be new daily. Don't worry. God will never give us what we cannot do. I believe that before God puts everything into your hands to do, as a woman, as a man, you know you are capable, guys. You know you are capable. So I'm sewing it round like this. I'm sewing it round. So that is it. So the other side, I'm going to be sewing the other side too. When I saw the cap, it was so simple and nice. I said I must make one for myself. I'm sewing the other side now. I mix a lot of cap, a bag, dress, and a lot of things that we're going to be doing here. Okay, so I've finished sewing it here. Now I want to notch here down. You notch that down. That place that we open is where I'm sewing right now. Yes, like that. You can decide not to trim it, but I want to trim mine. Like that, you will turn it so that it will be neat. You turn it down. It will be like this. The cap I saw like a breast pad. Not really a breast pad, but like that. So we are going to be cutting the same material to turn it all around. You see, it's the same material I cut to turn it all around. You sew the first side first, you turn it to the other side, you trim. Sorry, I have a lot of requests that you see, you turn it this way, you turn it this way. Yeah, I have a lot of requests in the area of clothes and bag. My machine was giving me problem, it fell down from my hand, so I will buy another machine. I will do that. Okay, so the same material too, you just cut. I want to use the same material to design it. I need white, but I don't have white now. I have to use the back of the material, guys. Yes, we have to think very fast. You have to be thinking very fast. When we think very fast, so I'm going to be using the same material to just do a design that I saw on the cap. I just want to do a design like something like a heart on it. You pin it up. I have to fold my shirts. Just round like a design. You see the way I'm doing it. I will just mix it together. You see, like that, like that. I will first hold it with pin. After pin, I use the machine to sew everything down. Yeah, like that. You start joining it like it will be this way. I'm going to be putting it here. Do you see it, guys? Oh my god, so beautiful. Simple and beautiful. Simple and beautiful, guys. Simple and beautiful. Simple and beautiful. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Yes. So it will be this way. So if you have something like this rubber band, you can decide to sew it down there like that. You can sew this one with your hands. I'm going to be notching there. You can sew it like this down with a needle, or if you have this kind of comb, you remember this comb that our mommy used to put on our head in Christmas time. If you have this one when we were a baby, you can sew it under too with needle, or you have all I have a lot of it because I sew different type of cap every day. So you just sew it on that. I just pin it now. I've not sew it. I'm going to be sewing it with needle. So that is it, guys. So you see, beautiful. What do you see? How do you check it out? What do you think about it? Yes, you can do all things through Christ that strengthens you. Did it look beautiful on this beautiful queen? Yes, it looked beautiful. You see, you can do it to be big, you can do it to be small. Yes, so beautiful, guys. So beautiful, guys. Make yours and send it to me. Let me see. If you are the person that's so, try to make things for yourself, okay? It's not everything they buy with money. Yes. Subscribe, share, press